Okay, so this is the Amazfit Band 5. I thought I'd do an unboxing of it because there seems to be some interest in this product, and I haven't seen any videos for this yet on YouTube. For those that do not know, this is like the Xiaomi Mi Band 5, but this one includes the SpO2 sensor and Alexa with Amazon. This is straight from Amazon's Prime store. So with that said, it's a pretty basic looking box, pretty small. Let's go ahead and unbox. Okay. Here's what appears to be the band. It's nice and small. Okay. Everything seems to be wrapped in these little plastic bags. Charger. Should be a magnetic charger. There it is. Okay. Okay. And there's some form of instructions. Pretty thick. Multiple languages. Okay. So there you guys have it. Pair first. There it is. The Amazfit Band 5.